Stroke.
Hello po!
Hi, Karen. Kamusta? Kamusta ang Be The Next Journey?
Ano po, it's very exciting pero ngayon po kinakabahan ako kasi this is the final showdown na po. So, dapat galingan ko na po dito.
Yes, kayang-kaya mo yan, Karen. Pero unang tanong, gusto rin malaman ng mga Dabbercats na sa lahat ng naging challenges mo dito sa Be The Next, ano yung forever nang tatatak sa'yo, yung hindi mo makakalimutan?
Siguro po yung, yung mga workshops because with all the workshops po, I will always apply them. Like right now po because it's already grand final. So I will apply everything that they taught me po. And also another memorable thing po during my Be The Next journey was during the weekly challenges because we only have a very short time to practice po. So dapat galingan ko po talaga every show. Yun po.
Hi, Karen!
Hi, Dorada!